Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add photo to Salesforce profile. So let's begin by understanding what is user profile in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a user profile is a collection of settings and permission that define what a user can see and do within the Salesforce platform. Profiles play a crucial role in controlling access to various functionality and data in Salesforce, ensuring that users have the appropriate level of access based on their roles and responsibility within an organization. Now, move ahead and learn about Salesforce profile photo. In Salesforce, a profile photo is an image associated with a user profile that visually represents the user within the Salesforce platform. This photo appears in various places, such as in the user profile, chatter post, comments, and other collaborative features within Salesforce. A profile photo helps personalize the user experience and making it easier to learn the members to recognize and connect with each other. So I will show you, and here is my Salesforce account, and here we can see that the image which is attached here is known as a profile picture. And always keep one thing in mind that the photo is of the minimum 36 MP dimension, and it must be in the JPG, GF and PNG format. And also make sure that the size for the Lightning is 16 MB, and for the Classic it is 10 MB. So now we will learn to add the profile picture in Salesforce. So here you have to click on the profile picture or avatar. Now, for get your profile, either you click on your name or you can click on the profile picture. So here I click on my name and it will redirect us to the next page, and here you can see the user profile, and under this you can see there is a camera icon. Click on this camera icon and it will open the drop down menu, and here you can see two options are present. One is view photo and the another one is update photo. And here we want to update the photo. So for this we click on the update photo option, and it will redirect us to the update photo window, and it show me that you have to upload photo only, and you can upload a JPG, GIF and PNG file. Maximum file size is 16 MB in the Lightning edition. So we want to upload the photo. So click on the upload photo option. Now upload the photo from the downloads and click on this photo that you want to upload. And here we go. You can see our image is uploaded here, and under this we can see that here that drag and resize option, you can drag this and resize your image as you want. And then you can see that there is a checkbox present, show my photo on publicly accessible pages. If you want to show your photo on publicly accessible pages, then you click on the checkbox, otherwise leave it as it is. But I want to show this photo on publicly accessible pages, so that's why I click on the checkbox and hit the save button. And you can see that our profile picture is successfully updated. So with this we have successfully uploaded the profile picture in Salesforce Lightning. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.